Boss Dreamer, welcome back to my channel, the place for female entrepreneurs, managers and coaches who would like to achieve their goals and simply become the CEO of their own life. I want to talk more deeper about how you can create the life you want and how you can change your life for better. Last week, I spoke a bit about changing habits and how to do it, and I even gave you the 5 steps that can help you to change your habits, your bad habits, into new good habits. You are probably watching this video because you seek inspiration as to what you need to do to change your life. What needs to happen in your life so you would be happy and fulfilled. How to change your life to live the dream. As much as I do not know what is happening in your life right now, because we haven't spoken about it yet face to face or ear to ear, I can, however, imagine that you are in the point when you realize you can make a change, but you're not sure which direction to go. You're not happy with what is going on right now, but you are reaching out for help. And you simply pop to my channel and expect to get the solution. I cannot give you right now exact tailor-made support as I would if we were working together on coaching one-to-one. However, I want to ask you some important things. What is it that you do in the morning when you wake up? What is the first action of your body? What is your first thought? What is your first feeling? We are often told that we need to wake up early to be able to create the life and business we want. We need to do like the rich and successful people do. But I looked around rich and successful and their habits one by one differ. Not all of them wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Not all of them are meditating with their private guru. Not all of them are running 5K in the early morning. Not all of them eat raw vegetables for lunch. However, all of them do what their body needs and tell them to do. All of them wake up and do something that helps them start the day with a positive thought. All of them do something that makes them feel good and that sets a positive attitude for a day. The importance is the word positive. When you wake up, your buzzer is on, and like what you do the first thing? Wow! You snooze your buzzer. Later on, you're kind of waking up late and stressing because you have to go to work and do this and do that, and oh God, I don't have enough time. When you wake up and just grab your phone, you immediately like start checking your emails, or I don't know, start stressing about the amount of stuff that you have to do during the day, and you're only gonna have the 24 hours during the day, and you still have to sleep, and you're not sure how quick you're gonna get to the office because you have to, pick up the children, put the children into a creche or whatever, or the school and everything. When you wake up and you start reading an extremely long to-do list, you stress yourself out immediately, and you haven't started your day even. You haven't even brushed your teeth. When you wake up, and all the troubles that may or may not happen are getting into your head before you brush your hair, before you brush your teeth, you will end up under stress and the negativity the whole day. That is why it is advised not to use your mobile phone the first hours of the day. That is why it's advised to wake up and get up when the buzzer rings for the first time. Let me give you a couple of tips as to what you can do when you wake up. Things that will make your day better, happier. Things that will make your life better. Things that will build simply your positive attitude in the morning. When the buzzer calls, turn it off, or put it some music that you can relax and start the positive day with, and simply get out of the bed. When you wake up, smile to yourself, smile to your spouse, smile to your kids, smile to your pets, neighbors, and anybody who's around you. When you wake up, get out of the bed. Meditate, do yoga salutation, stretch, exercise, whatever it is that will wake up your endorphins and keep you smiling. When you wake up, think of things that you're grateful for. When you wake up, think of things that you're gonna achieve today. The list can go on. But I want you to find something that makes you truly smile in the morning. Let me know in the comments below what it is for you. I'm very curious. You got to do it in the morning, the first thing when you wake up. to set a positive day, positive attitude. Think of things that happening for you positively. Think that the day will change, the day will be amazing. Smile until you'll feel with the whole body is smiling. Feel the positive flow. Not only think it, but feel it. Whatever you set yourself for the moment after you wake up. If you want to change your life and build your powerful, positive brand as an entrepreneur, manager, and coach, that's something that you need to start with, a positivity. Then you emanate this for the whole day. And if you want to work on you, being the CEO of your own life, schedule a free discovery call with me. And we can talk about what kind of positive motion in the morning we can set up for you. Not all of them, it's Robert Jebbles. You are probably when you wake up and you snooze your buzzer, right?